Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, or the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now, today is a pretty bullish day in the crypto market. It's coming up to, of course, 8:15 p.m. here in Melbourne, Australia, on the 14th of August, the day that Bitcoin broke a new all-time high, which is incredible to see. And again, it did hit 124,000 US dollars today. I was watching it go up and up and up. It was amazing to see that. And of course, it has pulled back down to 121,000 US dollars, which is insane. Ethereum is also doing incredibly well today, sitting at the moment 4,762 US dollars. Now, with that, being said, I would like to set up a grid bot on Ethereum on EarnCurve. So I'm going to run through the process on how to do that. Here is earncurveinvest.com. If you haven't gone to register and join, please go do that. All of the links are below in the video description. And of course, if you do KYC on EarnCurve, I'll apply a 10% discount, all right? That is to come into compliance and make sure everything is done properly. Now, again, I've got my account set up here on EarnCurve, just to let everyone know that I'm working very hard with the Octobot team to bring everybody the feature to run multiple bots on one account. All right, I've been getting inundated with emails about this, so guys, please bear with us. It's something that's coming. It's taken a lot of work, months of work in terms of the development of the software. So stick with me with this, guys. And of course, this will be implemented very soon. But for now, you can run a grid bot no problem on one account. So I'm going to set that up now. Now, coming over to the summary page, as you can see on the screen, you do have your wallet. You will need USDT. There is no fiat on-ramp as yet. That will be coming in the future. So that is just, again, one more step in building out EarnCurve. Coming over to deposit, you can deposit, of course, Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, BNB, XRP, Cardano, TRX, I should say, and Matic. Now, with regards to XRP, if you are going to deposit and set up an XRP grid bot or whatever you'd like, you will need to use, of course, the tag when you're depositing XRP, so that those funds get allocated to your wallet. Now, again, I've had a lot of people had issues with this that haven't put their tag in. I've had to locate their transaction on the blockchain and, of course, allocate those funds to their wallet, all right? Just make everyone aware that if you're depositing XRP, please use the tag so those funds get allocated. Now, with USDT, I personally like to use TRX or TRC20, I should say, the Tron network. It's a lot cheaper and it's fast. You can use Ethereum, Binance, which is BEP20, or of course Polygon. I like to use TRC20. That's just me, right? So I've done that. I've deposited 110 USDT in here. Now, coming over, of course, to the accounts tab up on the right, you can see that you'll need to get your API key, all right? Once you're in here, you will need your two-factor authentication activated. Make sure you do that prior to doing this. Very important for security of your account. You will need to generate your API key, okay? So once you click Generate API, you're going to come up with an API key and a secret key. Just a little pro tip here. Copy these API key and the secret key into a Word document or email so it's there for you, and I'll explain why. Now, once you've got those two keys, you'll need to click Reading Wallet Balances. So, of course, Octobot can read it. And, of course, Trading and any IP address. That is all you need to click, all right? Don't click Withdrawals and don't click Only Trusted IPs. Any IP address. Just make sure you're aware of that. Once you click those three, though, it will ask you for your two-factor authentication, and that will activate those three access points on your account. Now, the reason why I've said paste your API key and secret key into an email is because once you do click those three access points, you won't be able to see your secret key anymore. That's for security purposes, okay? So keep those on the side. Don't make them public. Make sure you keep them secret. And anyway, once you've done that, and you have USDT or whatever cryptocurrency you're going to trade in your EarnCurve account, as you can see my estimated balance there, you're going to come over to, of course, Octobot. Now, again, it's octobot.cloud. Just to let everyone know, in order to use this, of course, you will have to subscribe. There is a discount code called Quick Line in the video description. Go check that out. It's really, really simple. Investor Plus is all you need. It's really straightforward. And of course, you can get this monthly, annually, or lifetime. It's up to you. Monthly, it's $9.99 if you use the 10% discount code. My watch is talking to me. You'll be able to get a 10% discount. So it'll bring it down to, of course, $8.99, which is nothing when you think about it, right? And that is sufficient. And when the multi-bot feature does become active on EarnCurve, you can run 10 bots at the same time. So that is plenty to get started. So make sure you subscribe to Octobot. Very, very important. Once you've done that, come over to the little gear icon in the bottom left-hand corner. Exchange accounts. This is how you connect your EarnCurve account. All right. So of course you're going to come up here, enter new API. Remember how we put them in the Word document or email before? You're going to come over to Exchange. You're going to click EarnCurve. You're going to select here and type Octobot EarnCurve, or you can name this whatever you want. Superman for whatever you like. The API key, get that, paste that in here. The secret key, get that and paste it in here. Click Save My API. As you can see here, I've got one on EarnCurve +2@gmail.com. That's how I've been able to get around it for the moment. So again, we've got the funds there. It's linked up. It's green. If it's not green, it means your account hasn't been connected. You have to go back and do the same process. It can happen. I've had a few people have that issue, but once you do it, it'll turn green. Right. Now, pretty straightforward with this. If you come over to, of course, the bots down here, the little compass icon, I should say. Now, I've got my funds in there. And once you set this up, you don't have to touch it, which is really exciting for me because I love automation. All right. So you're going to come over to strategies. You're going to click the drop down box. You're going to go to EarnCurve. All right. And of course, you've got DCA strategies. You can run anything you like. I'm only running Ethereum because I think it's going to go a lot higher because a lot of institutions are jumping in. And I've also got my XRP one running at the moment on another EarnCurve account. Coming over to all strategies, grid strategies. Sorry. Let's just go here and let's go to Ethereum climb. Okay. Now, as you can see on the screen, it does have a minimum investment of 100 USDT, all right? So just let everyone know it does need liquidity. It's as simple as that. It needs funds to trade the market for you and to place those buy and sell orders on EarnCurve. So it's pretty straightforward, okay? It has had last month a 17.13% return, last 3 months 34.69%, which is insane to think about that. But let's just go start investment right here. Let's just wait for this to load. I call it, you're going to be brought to this page here. You can use real funds or virtual funds. You can even trade virtually if you want, but I'm using real funds, okay? Because I want to get those gains on, of course, Ethereum. Now, as you can see, my EarnCurve Octobot accounts right here, number +2 at Gmail or whatever account you've got here. It's pretty straightforward. You go choose. And before we do that, let's just go back here to EarnCurve. I'm going to go to trade the market so you guys can see this actually happening live when I'm recording this. If I come over to the market and go to Ethereum, and let's just make sure the volume's up because it's going to get loud in here with these trades going off. There we go. Okay, so we come back over to Octobot. Now again, it says start my Octobot. You can see 107 USDT in there. That's perfect. Entire portfolio. I'm going to start this Octobot. And we should start hearing the orders go off on, of course, EarnCurve. Let's just wait for this. Come down here. And you'll start to see the open orders being placed right there. There you go. It's already starting it. There you go. So that's 16 sell orders. And 16 buy orders. So you can see it's placed 30 trades. All right. So just so you know, it's done that for me. Now, I don't have to do a single thing. Coming back over to Octobot so you guys can see what's going on here. It's pretty straightforward. There you go. It's called Biological Sheep is started. There you go. It's pretty crazy names that the AI comes up with. All right. And then that's connected. It's ready to go. And of course, there you go. 30 orders have been created. You can go view my bot. And that is it. So I've got now 3 bots running on 3 different accounts until we can get the multi-bot feature live and active. Now, if you come back over to the little robot on Octobot, you can see my 3 bots running at the moment. Okay, so I've got one, of course, on the Top Coins Accelerator bot, which is actually up 3.9% in profit, which is insane. I started that, a week or 2 ago, so it's pretty straightforward. The XRP one, now, again, I'm also getting questions about this. I've had this running since the 6th of July. In actual fact, let's just have a look together on this, all right? There you go. So I started this around the 6th of July, and it's been running ever since. As you can see, the USDT has grown. All right, and again, this is on the spot market, doesn't work with leverage, so there's no risk of liquidation. So it is growing right here, which is nice to see that, all right? And I'm just gonna let that run. That's the whole point of these. You just let them run and do their thing. Now, again, the Top Coins Accelerator bot has been running for about 2 weeks now, and that's up 3.9%, as you can see right here. There was a bit of a market dip, of course, around the 3rd of August, and as you come up back here, it's back in profit, which is nice. So this is long term. It's going to trade for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And now I've just started the Ethereum one, and those 30 orders buying and selling are placed on EarnCurve. That's it, and you let it go. So this is great, fantastic. And of course, if you want to add more capital to this, you can do that. It will pick up the additional capital into your bots automatically and will invest those accordingly. And you can see right here, creates and maintains Ethereum/USDT trailing grid strategy of 30 orders with a spread of 70 USDT and a 25 USDT increment. So that is the strategy. And of course, you can do that with all of the grid bots. Now, the beautiful thing about what's coming for, of course, EarnCurve and these bots is that once the update has occurred, the strategies for EarnCurve, you could literally run all of these on one account, which I'm really excited for. Please bear with us because it is coming and I'm really excited about that. But that is pretty much how you set up a grid bot on, of course, EarnCurve with Octobot. And I'm just going to let that run like wildfire. And as you can see, the market's moving. It's down a little bit today, but when the US opens, institutions are piling into Ethereum at the moment. So I'm capturing that momentum. I'm just going to let this run because, again, I'm seeing predictions from Tom Lee, a fund manager on Wall Street, who says, Ethereum potentially has, a $60,000 price target in place for it now. And he sees it as an early stage Bitcoin. So there you go. I'm just going to let this run, guys. That is it. So again, go join EarnCurve. It is down below. Thank you very much to those of you that have. The amount of people on this is growing every single day, and I really appreciate it. So there you go. Any questions, please feel free to jump on EarnCurve, invest.com. You can email me here. I will get back to you. I do get back to everybody that emails me, so it just takes me a bit of time. And that is pretty much it, guys. Thank you very much. Any questions, again, email me. Let me know in the comments, all right? Stay safe, guys, and stay bullish. Get trading right now. This is amazing stuff, all right? Peace. Bye.